Good day, investors. Welcome to the 9th of March 2015 market review. The trade for today is called Woolworths and the code is WHL. Last traded price was 90.04 cents. The action on this trade is to do a sell. That means you want to buy from this grey level down to the green level. So the entry level will be 90.97 and the target will be 87.35. Stop loss to be used on this trade is 92.78 on the red line. Looking at the current open trade, it's called RMH, still open from the 3rd of March. Looking at your top 40 index, this is the top 40 shares on the JSE, and you can see they're still trading that blue line, they're still trading above the red line of the 10-day moving average, as well as the 20-day moving average that's indicated by the blue line. Looking at the Dow Jones, they lost about 278 points on Friday, and they actually went down from this high here to this low here due to bad results that came out to the markets and the fear of interest rates. And as you can see, it came down. Now currently the futures are also a bit more down, with the European futures are down and the South African top 40 index futures are also down. Looking at the Bollinger Bands, it actually broke this 18,000 level and it's currently trading closer to 17,865 points as we speak. So this is now a change of a small momentum coming down in the short term. Looking at the J200, that's the top 40 shares on the JSE. The expectation is that this one can, on this latest two high points here, it's also testing at high points, that we can see a bit of negative movement this morning as well due to the Americans close out on Friday evening. And expectations to fall another 350 to 400 points down. A lot of support here on 46,720 points. So let's see if this 400 points can bounce here and what the market could do after that. Looking at your banking sector, Barclays Bank trading at 182.27. Negative momentum started to follow on the ABC pattern. Huge support on 180 Rand, and the share is currently trading at 182.27. So there's a low, high, lower point. So let's see if the momentum can take it down. Standard Bank also on the top there of 157. We need to see what this indication will do. Looking at Investec, broke the new high, close at 106.67 Rand. Still trading in the positive channel after it was trading to a total sideways. The movement went up 270 cents on Friday, closed about almost 3% positive. Looking at your retail, your telecommunications, now yes, MTN. The red lines are in this positive channel currently here. Tested this 221, 223 that we spoke about. And currently we need to see if this one could come down here from this top of the cycle. Looking at Vodacom, also coming a bit down. And what you can do here is you can actually confirm this now with channel lines, and you can see the ABC pattern playing also a big role here. Look at this. There's the bottom and support, and here's the high lines. So there's the ABC pattern, high, lower, high, lower. So we need to see if this is the bottom or a bit of a retrieve can happen from this bottom of the cycle. But it's not a lot into it. It's about 1 Rand movement from 135 to 136.50. Looking at some of your retailers, let's start with Woolies. Woolies bounced from this 88.92 level, been back to the 90 Rand level, trading at 90.04 cents. Now we need to see if this is basically now the big support. Now look at this, testing this middle of this Bollinger Band here as well. And at any time if it breaks it's 8.92, more downside down to the 83. Let's go and look at Mr. Price. Mr. Price totally sideways, also testing the middle of the Bollinger Band. And the current low to be looked at is about 254, 255, trading at 268. Shoprite. Shoprite still in a negative channel, two red lines, and is confirmed by the green and the purple downside movement as well. Trading a bit sideways in this pattern, not a lot of movement. And let's see what the momentum can do on this specific trade. Exxaro, as you can see, positive cycle, broke the middle of the Bollinger Band, got support at 109. Need to see if there's now a turnaround after this double top here. So a high, low, high, and maybe if it breaks this 109, more downside could be due. CFR, very important to follow now. Look at the CFR in a positive channel, traded sideways, got support at 102.33, currently trading at 105 Rand. Current high is 105. We need to see if this is going to be a type of a sideways pattern following, but we need to see how this market's going to open on Monday morning. Well, a lot of things to happen. Greece referendum, the European banks are meeting today, and a decision needs to be taken. Let's see a lot of danger points in the markets. Gold came down, $1,165. Oil came down. So let's see where the markets could move in the short term. Enjoy your day.